lights? Where's my lights?
That's what I'm saying.
Where's my lights? Why are my lights not working?
Alright guys, we made it. Where we at, Levi?
We are at Black Balsam Knob and Sam Knob.
Yeah, so which one are we at right now? Like the one we're about to go on?
So I don't know exactly which way, but we're about to go on Black Balsam Knob, which I'm pretty sure is that one over there. I think. I gotta check all trails.
Yep. He's gonna be going on all trails. There's a trail right here. We're gonna check it out. All I gotta say is you come here and hang out. Dude, don't go in these dang bathrooms, dude. I don't know who brought their horse, but it was bad. The worst smell I have ever smelled.
I did plumbing as a living.
Yeah, Levi used to do some plumbing, and
it's the worst smell I've ever smelled.
Out here, as you can see if you watch Levi's video. Put on my jackets on his back, so
Great.
yeah, made it to the top. Alright guys, made it back to the car, and now we're going to the second one he's wanting to hike on. What's the name of Levi?
His name is Sam Knob.
Sam Knob. Should be pretty fun. I got it mixed up, and I thought that one was the shorter one. Well no, that's the longer one, so this is the shorter one we're on.
Yep.
So, shouldn't take too long. We're gonna go up there and hang out for a little bit. Levi's gotta eat the Cliff Bar, you know?
Yeah.
Unless I steal it from him.
Maybe. Hopefully not.
Yeah.
I'm starving.
It's real pretty out here today. It's like a mix of when I'm hiking, I get hot, so then I take my hoodie or like jacket off, and then I get cold again, and then put it back on. So it's like a mix.
I can't tell.
Levi done took his off, and he's gonna put it back on.
I can't tell if it's like cold or hot outside. I'm like either like burning up or I'm like super cold and I want to put my jacket on.
Alright guys, made it to the top of Sam Knob. It is like pretty insane. It's a pretty nice view.
Yeah.
It is really nice. Show it to y'all. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. It was an insane hike today and I had lots of fun, and we're probably gonna go and get some like Mexican food or something. It's gonna be really fun, and I'll see you in the next one.